Open the cabinet under your sink. A glass cleaner, a mold spray, a bug killer, a laundry booster, 4 different bottles for 4 different jobs, and you're paying full retail on every one of them. One box of borax, about $5, does all 4. Here's the exact ratio for each job and where this stuff stops working. Borax is sodium borate, a mineral pulled out of dry lake beds out west. You'll find it sold as 20 Mule Team Borax in the laundry aisle of any grocery store, Walmart, or Target, a 4-pound box for $4 to $5. It's alkaline, and it carries boron. That combination is why this one box shows up in cleaning products, bug baits, and wood treatments that have each been sold to you separately by separate companies for the better part of a century. You don't need 5 products sitting under your sink. You need this one box and the right ratio for each job. Borax does 2 different jobs, and both trace back to the same chemistry. Dissolve it in water, and it pushes the pH up to around 9. Alkaline enough to cut through grease the same way the degreaser in your garage does. Break down hard water mineral buildup on faucets and tile, and starve mold of the surface film it needs to keep spreading. That's the entire cleaning side, and it's nothing more complicated than that. The pest control side works differently, through the boron itself. Roaches and ants don't avoid it on contact. They walk through it, pick it up on their legs and antennae, then ingest it while grooming themselves and feeding the rest of the colony. Once it's inside them, boron interferes with their digestive lining. There's no working around that at the insect level, and there's no way for them to evolve past it either, the way they have around a lot of sprayed chemical pesticides. It's slower than a can of bug spray. You're looking at several days, not several minutes, but it doesn't break down sitting in a cabinet, and it keeps working on every insect that crosses it until you sweep it up. Same box, 2 completely different effects, depending on whether you're dissolving it in water or leaving it dry. That's why it works. Materials. Borax, sold as 20 Mule Team Borax. Laundry aisle of any grocery store, Walmart, or Target. $4 to $5 a box. Powdered sugar, your pantry, or under $2 at any store. A spray bottle, most homes already have one, or $2 at a dollar store. A bucket, for mixing a larger batch. All-purpose cleaner. 1 tablespoon of borax per gallon of warm water in a spray bottle. Use it on counters, floors, and bathroom fixtures the same way you'd use anything off the shelf. Mold and mildew. 1 tablespoon of borax per cup of water, sprayed directly on the spot. Let it sit 15 minutes, then wipe. Don't rinse the surface afterward. The thin residue left behind is what keeps the mold from coming straight back instead of returning in a few days. Roaches and ants. Mix equal parts borax and powdered sugar with a little water into a paste. Place small amounts along baseboards and under sinks, away from kids and pets. The mistake people make is piling it on thick. Insects avoid an obvious pile. A light dusting works better than a heavy one. For a bigger problem along an outside foundation, trace the same mix every few feet along the wall instead of relying on 1 or 2 spots. Laundry. Half a cup added straight into the wash with your regular detergent. It softens hard water and lets the detergent actually do its job instead of fighting the minerals in your water supply first. It's also useful if your machine has started smelling musty between loads, since borax doesn't leave mildew much to grow on. Bare wood, fence posts, untreated framing, anything not yet sealed. 1 cup of borax per gallon of hot water, brushed on generously, left to dry. It soaks into the fiber and keeps rot and termites out for years inside that piece of wood. Trash cans and diaper pails. A light sprinkle of dry borax in the bottom controls odor without the fragrance chemicals in a canned deodorizer. Skip this one anywhere a dog or cat can get into the trash, for the same reason as below. One honest limitation, and it matters. Borax dissolves in water, which means it also washes back out in water. On exterior wood that takes direct rain, a deck, a fence, the borax will slowly leach out over time. This is not a one-coat, forget-it-forever fix unless you put a sealant over it once it's dry. On pest control, it kills the insects that walk through it, not the eggs already laid, so stay on it for a couple of weeks during an active problem rather than treating once and stopping. And keep it away from pets directly. It's low toxicity for people at these cleaning concentrations, but it's not something you want an animal eating outright, so place it where they can't get to it. $5, 1 box, and it covers your counters, your laundry, your bug problem, and your bare wood. That's the whole thing. If you want the deeper breakdown on using this same box just for wood rot and termite prevention, that video is up next. Take care.